We got a problem of 3E error message. What could be the reason why we got 3E error message? So we have to do the troubleshooting on this washing machine. Let's go and see what could be the problem. If you see this washing machine, it can come on, it cannot spin, it cannot wash. Water is stuck inside. What we do, we check our filter here, and then we make sure there's no obstruction on the filter. So we're gonna turn it in the opposite of the clock way so that we can take out the filter and check out. You close it on the clock side. Guys, this washing machine may have a problem with our motor, especially on the carbon brush. So we're going to lay the machine on the blanket so that the machine will not crash, and then we're gonna do the troubleshooting to see if our brush are still in good condition. If the brush is not in good condition, what we're going to do, we're going to change the brush. When you check the washing machine, you're gonna see two brushes on the motor. One brush is for to make the machine speedy, and the other brush to make the machine wash. So I'll advise you, if you want to change the brush, change all the two brushes, the speedy brush and the washing brush, so that you'll be sure that your machine will go to a perfect condition. Guys, keep watching. Let's go, let's do the troubleshooting, and let's fix this machine. Guys, as you can see, I have just get the washing machine in one position on my blanket like this. The washing machine is on a blanket because the reason we put it like this is to get access to the brush for the motor. Remember, the machine presenting the E3 error message, actually the machine cannot wash, and most of the time it's going to be your brush. If you want to know what is a brush, it's actually this and this. We can also use the screwdriver with that, remove the motor. We can use the screwdriver and remove here and here, remove here and here, and then we can change the brush. But I want to make the job so simple for me and more difficult. Simple because I'm gonna be sure that I'll put the brush in the right position, and then I'll rather remove the complete motor and be on my hand so that I can replace my brush. Guys, you see that I remove the electrical plug, and then I remove the screws. I remove those screws who hold in the motor, so that after I remove the electrical, I'm going to just push and take out the motor. You can see how I'm pushing it, and that's how I take out the motor there. You can see the motor, and then like I said to you, this is the brush. This is the brush, and then we can see, we're going to check together and see how bad it is, our brush. So just stay with me. Like I said to you, the best way is to remove it like this, and we can easily take out the screws. We're gonna take out these screws and see the nature of our brushes, and then that will be easy for us to change it or to see if they are damaged or not. So we want to solve that problem of E3 error message. So that is more or less what we need to do here. Okay, yes, you can see it yourself here. It's very simple to identify that this brush is finished. You can see it's finished here. It's supposed to be inside like this and bring out a space like this, but you can see this one is finished completely. So we need to order the 3406 brush for the Samsung so that we can solve this machine. Let's check the other side. But it's very advisable, even if one side only is damaged, you have to change the both sides. So we advise you to always change the both sides. let's check it and see what is going on here. And the way you put back your brush is very important, so you must know how to take it out and how to put it back, in fact, so that you can solve your problem without doubts. Okay, let's check. Even this one is finished. It's very short brush here. It's supposed to, even if you put it inside like this, it's supposed to be still long. So we're going to change the board brush, and I believe after changing that, our machine will go back to order. The machine will go back to order. So what I'll do, I'm going to order this thing from Samsung, and then after I order it from Samsung, and we're going to replace it. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Yeah, as you can see now, we got a brush at the moment. You can see the new one and the old one. You can see how the new one is long. You can see how it's long here, and the brush is still there. You can see how it's long, and the difference with the old one. You can see why we need to change it so that it can work properly. So I'm going to proceed of changing the one, and then I have also the new one for the other side, but now we proceed for a new one. Proceed for the first one, and then after that I'm going to replace the second one also. So this one is for the first one. Let's do the first one, and then we will go actually to do the second one. Like I say, I always advise to change both of them in the same time. Do not change one and leave the other one. So it's preferable for you to change both of them. Okay, let's proceed for the first changing. Okay, as you see, like I say, now we got this one. This is the new one, this is the old one. So we're going to replace it here. Before we replace it here, and then we will replace the second one as well. But I also advise that you must have a sandpaper. So before you replace you must just make a cleaning here with the sandpaper. As you can see here, it's very important for you to have a good contact with your brushes. So I advise you to use the sandpaper here to do some cleaning, because when this thing finish, it's going to dirty the contact here. So the sandpaper will be a good solution for it. So guys, keep watching so that you can do it yourself. It's very quick fix anyway, as long as you know the problem and you get the right brushes. And then it's good to change it with the original brushes, because if you put the fake brush, it's going to finish quickly and then you have the same problem. But when you have the original brushes like the one I got now, when you fix it, you can guarantee your customer that it's gonna be long quick fix. So now I have cleaned it nicely, and then I'm going to push my brushes. Remember, this one is long, and then you got the position on it. I just respect the position, and this must get inside there as well. So that will be easy fix. After you do that, you're gonna put the screws back, put the screw back, and we tighten it back as well. Tighten it back nicely, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so that sharp, and we can see in there that is very sitting well. You can see how he's touching there. So we'll go to the other side. We do the same procedure. So we're gonna screw it out for the second side, so that we can change also the brusher there, because the brusher there as well is finished. I hope you guys you can see what I'm doing after changing the brush, and we'll get everything in order by screwing out nicely. And you can see that brush is just similar to the other one. have to pull it out here. See how it looks. This one was better than the first one, but it's still finished, so you cannot still compare it with the other one. Okay, I'm going to get the second one and then we'll be able to replace this one as well. Keep watching. Okay guys, this is the second one. See how good it is. That's what we need to have our brusher. This is actually the right one. So we're going to proceed of changing the second one, and then after changing this one, and we're going to have our washing machine sort out. So you can see, you just have to respect. You have to respect this size on it, otherwise the response on the motor will not be good. So I'm doing it so that I can get it right as well. As you can see, we just need to screw it just like the other one. Make sure it's tight, and the thing is turning well. On the other side as well. And then now we can put back our electrical connection to the brusher. Now we can proceed the other side as well. And then that will be the end of the job. Thank you guys. Keep watching. We have to mount the motor. Okay. So click on it, and then we can put our screw. We're gonna put them back and tight it, and that will be the end of our ink. Back. Tight it nicely. Then after we tight, we're gonna put the bell. This bell, we're gonna put it back, because remember it came out when we was busy taking out the. Then after that, we're gonna connect the electrical plug back. You have to connect it back. Connect. After I finish, I'll do the test. Keep watching. Okay, we are now finished putting the bell. As you can see here, the bell is here, linking to the motor. We just changed the brush on, so you can see the drum is turning well. So we will now just close the back, and we're gonna put our machine on to test. Thank you for watching, guys. If this video was helpful for you, please do subscribe, and let's see you in the next video. This community is wonderful. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. My name is Alphonse Foku.